Welcome back. The last 7 weeks have been harrowing, to say the least, for a well-known Bakersfield optometrist who contracted COVID-19 back in March. Dr. Steve Ratty had some very dark days in 3 separate hospitals, but he checked out triumphantly today and returned home. 17's Robert Price has his story.
In mid-March, Steve Ratty and his wife Mary began to feel ill. Low-grade fevers, and they lost their sense of smell. And on March 25th, they were diagnosed with COVID-19. Mary recovered after a few days, but husband Steve only got worse. Much, much worse. Dr. Ratty was intubated with a breathing tube and essentially fell into a coma. Wife Mary, fearing the worst, solicited prayers, and she got them.
A horrible roller coaster ride that you just want to end. I likened it very much in talking to people and being on a ride that you just want to end. The nauseous feeling, being sick, and it just as it starts to look good, like it's going to slow down, it just picks up speed and goes again. So that being said, it was a lot of highs and lows for sure. There were many days where he would make improvement, and when I say improvement, we're not talking major improvement, just a little bit, but it was enough to give us hope.
Dr. Pasha Ishan, medical director of Encompass Health Rehabilitation Hospital of Bakersfield, where Ratty spent the last 3 weeks, said the ophthalmologist has months of recovery ahead.
It's amazing how far he's come. A lot of COVID patients, they really need that intense rehab right after coming out of the hospital. Occupational therapy, physical therapy, and also speech therapy, and it really takes an interdisciplinary approach with the doctor, the physicians, case management, and therapists all working together to get these patients well.
But Dr. Ratty isn't troubling himself with any of that right now. He's just glad to be home and sitting upright. What are you looking forward to?
Sleep, actually, yeah. You don't go to the hospital, you want to get rest. They poke care about every 3 hours. So you only get a 3 hours nap, and they're like, okay, let's take this. You know, do a breathing treatment, take your blood, feed you, this and that. So, you know, sleep is going to be on my mind right now.
Ratty and his wife agreed that masks are a good idea for anyone going out in public where they're likely to be in close contact with others. Take this COVID-19 seriously, the ophthalmologist says, but don't disregard its dire economic consequences either. If you've been a Bakersfield resident for any length of time, chances are good you've been treated by a Dr. Ratty. If not Steve Ratty, his father Donald, who was a Bakersfield City Council member for many, many years. Steve Ratty isn't done yet. It might take a few months, but he'd like to be back at it. In Bakersfield, Robert Price, 17 News.
Great story. Thanks, Robert.